Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use WhatsApp without saving number. Use WhatsApp in our daily life. We can't even imagine day without WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, how about if you don't need to share a message to someone who is not in your contact list? If you don't have a number, most probably, we all ask them to send message to us, isn't it? So don't worry, it is more easier nowadays to send message to people from WhatsApp who are not in your contacts. So let's get started. We can send message to someone without saving numbers. We can, but not every time we save number of our friends to continue chat and send message. Not to worry, it is possible using WhatsApp Marmiding to share message to a person who is not in your contact. So to do so, let's go to the browser. Then what you're gonna do is type wa.me dash the phone number that you're going to have a message. Then press next. Replace the last region with prospective phone number in any browser. Make sure you use respective country codes along with numbers. Don't use plus or minus prefix. So let's continue to chat and make sure that they are available on WhatsApp also. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!